Hello, I'm attorney Russell Kohn of the Kohn Law Office here in Oceanside, California, where we help people who've been injured by others to obtain full and fair compensation for those injuries and losses. And that includes helping bicycle riders. Today, I'm going to discuss the unique issues posed by injuries to bicycle riders. Under California law, a bicycle is not considered a vehicle in the matter of traffic rules and regulations, but bicycle operation is still governed by many of the same traffic laws. Bicycle riders are considered to have the same rights as drivers to use the streets, but the specifics regarding bicycle rights and responsibilities can be confusing. By statute, every person riding a bicycle upon a highway has all the rights and is subject to all the provisions applicable to the driver of a vehicle, except those provisions which by their very nature have no application to bicycles. Injuries to bicycle riders present many unique legal issues. These issues include the following. 1, government immunities on public bike paths. 2, state laws governing bicycles. 3, city laws concerning bicycle riding. And 4, injury concerns for minors. Let's talk about number 1, government immunities for bike paths. Those who choose to avoid main thoroughfares by taking to trails and bikeways may be at even greater risk of injury, however, because no city, county, or state government entity in California bears any legal responsibility for maintaining safe riding conditions on a paved bike path. This odd result stems from a court ruling that defined the word trail in Government Code Section 831.4 to include paved bike paths. Bike lanes and streets, however, are governed by different laws than bike paths, and our office won an $80,000 recovery for a female bicycle rider who sustained facial wounds and fractured teeth when she encountered a raised utility manhole in the bike lane of a busy street in Carlsbad, California, which caused her to lose control and be thrown off her bicycle. Number 2, state laws concerning bicycle riding. When operating a bicycle, it's important to remember that state laws overrule local regulations because bicycle operation falls under the category of vehicle operation. The California Vehicle Code preempts the entire field of traffic control in California. The California Vehicle Code provides that except as otherwise expressly provided, the provisions of this code are applicable and uniform throughout the state and in all counties and municipalities therein, and no local authority shall enact or enforce any ordinance on the matters covered by this code unless expressly authorized herein. Recent California law to improve safety for bicycle riders requires that vehicles leave a 3-foot space cushion between the vehicle and the bicycle rider. Number 3, city laws concerning bicycle operation. We have found that one of the most important issues concerns investigating police officers' interpretations of the law that govern issues as to how far to the right of the roadway a bicycle is obligated to ride and fault for riding in a crosswalk. In our experience, law enforcement personnel frequently misinterpret the law. In one case, the police officer found a bicycle rider who was hit by a car at fault for riding in the crosswalk in violation of a municipal code. But that code cannot be used as a basis for finding the bicycle rider to be negligent because that code is intended only to protect pedestrians, not vehicle drivers. Also, in roadways without bicycle lanes, there are 2 primary rules governing positions on the roadway. First, all traffic on the highway, including bicycles, must travel on the right-hand side of the highway. Second, all slower traffic, including bicycles, must keep farther to the right. Number 4, injuries to child bicycle riders. Often, children riding bicycles are involved in crashes with vehicles. These can involve serious lifelong injuries for the child involved. Thus, we recommend review of the facts by an experienced bicycle injury accident attorney. The issues involved include the vehicle driver's attentiveness, speed, and awareness of children in the vicinity. Other issues can include the age of the child, whether the child was wearing a required helmet, and whether the child had adult supervision at the time of the crash. The purpose of traffic laws is to promote safe and efficient traffic flow. This includes preserving the bicyclists' rights to share the roadway and preventing local authorities from limiting such rights. A bicycle injury claim involves many unique and sometimes complex issues, and it's always a good idea to consult an attorney who's experienced in handling bicycle injury claims. The Kohn Law Office provides a free initial consultation on injury claims, and all cases are handled on a contingency fee basis, where there's no fee unless there's a recovery in the case. If you have any questions, we'd love to help, so please call us at 760-721-8182. And once again, thank you for watching this video.